Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So this video here, I'm just going to show you how to trade on the market to buy shiba on Binance, and also how to trade on the market option of Binance. All right, it's just as simple as ABC. So already by now, I think it's simpler using USDT. So by now you must have bought USDT, or maybe if you don't have USDT, you can just use the conversion option. When you click on more when you are home, Binance home, you can just use the conversion option where you can just choose. Let's say you have BTC, you can just convert to USDT easily. All right, but now I don't have BTC, but I have USDT. So now what I have to do now is for this conversion to be done, that has been made simpler. You just have to click on market and you have to pay attention here. So now when you click on market, the next thing you type ship, and then you will see at this top here, you will see shiba slash ship slash USDT 3x, and then you see bust ship slash bust 3x, and there are more down. And all right, so that when you click on the first one,